Page 17, in a hammock. A hammock is one of those things, a net-like thing or a cloth a bed that you hang between two trees, and it kind of hangs there and you sit there and swing and fall out and stuff. That's a hammock. You can Google what a hammock is. Now, there's nothing new being presented here. We're just using what we already know. So let's go through our routine to learn a new piece of music. I look it over. I see it's 4 measures long, treble and bass clef, 4/4 time signature. We got quarter notes and half notes, and we're using our notes, our D and B that we've learned. So let's cover the notes first. In the right hand, we're here. They didn't give you finger numbers. I'm not sure why. Usually they give you a finger number for the first one for each hand. Just know that we're still in middle C position. Here. So it's here. So you got here, and then the left hand goes here, and then the right hand, you're doing this back. Wasn't that fun? Okay. And the counting, keep them beat steady. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. You get the idea? Okay, and then the last measure is half notes. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right. Once you have the rhythm and all that worked out, then you can think about a little bit, again, on interpreting the music. You see the commas in here? Back and forth, and back and forth, and back and forth. Well, if you want, you can lift up while the commas are. Don't mess up the beat, just lift up. So we're connecting this, but then go here, lift up, here. So it's... So just lifting up just a little bit where the commas are. It's like taking a breath. You don't have to. You could connect them all. This is interpretation. It's interpreting the music. You're going beyond the notes, because a lot of times when people go through these books, okay, I got the notes and the rhythms, I'm good, let's go on. And they miss out on most of what music is about, and that is the interpretation. You get beyond the mechanics, beyond the notes and the rhythms, and you start feeling this. Can you feel this rocking back and forth? You're just rocking back and forth, sort of like a hammock swinging or something. So you get into it and feel the music. As far as how fast you go, it doesn't tell you anything, and so it's up to you on how fast you go, but it has to be accurate, so don't go faster than that. Let's play this together very slowly and double check the notes and the rhythms. I'm going to lift up where the commas are, like I explained here. So I'll give us 4 counts. 1, 2, ready, go. Off. There's a teacher's part for this. I'd like to play that, so let's play it together. The teacher's part only has half notes, and I need to play quarter notes. So I'm going to make up something in the teacher's part, so I'm playing quarter notes all the way through. And the teacher's part doesn't lift up like I've been telling you to. If you want to lift up, go ahead, but it won't be in the teacher's part. So I'll give us 4 counts. 1, 2, ready, go.